Welcome once again to Breakfast Central on a Friday morning. Of course, moving on to our top stories this morning, an ECOWAS court has ruled as unlawful a 7-month ban on Twitter use in Nigeria, which happened sometime last year. The Nigerian government suspended Twitter in June last year after the social media giant deleted a tweet by President Muhammadu Buhari. It lifted the ban in January. The Economic Community of West African States ECOWAS Court issued its ruling following a suit brought by a Nigerian NGO called the Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project, SERAP, and of course other rights campaigners. In declaring the ban unlawful, the court also ordered the Nigerian government never to repeat it.
With 3/4 of Nigeria's population of 200 million aged under 24, the country is hyper-connected to social media. Kolawole Oluwadare, Deputy Director, Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project, joined us earlier and had this to say.
The court is also clear. The court has jurisdiction over human rights cases, either between member states or among member states, so to speak, or even between the citizens of those states and the states themselves. And the African Charter on Human People's Rights is just one of those legal instruments that the court enforces. So the court is important as a regional court to give people the ability to ventilate their grievances, advocate in human rights cases, so to speak, enforcing and promoting the use of human rights mechanisms, ensuring that African countries and even the heads of states of those governments of those countries obey and promote human rights mechanisms in their different states. So the judgments of the court forms part of the jurisprudence of human rights mechanisms law in Africa and even internationally. And also the judgment of the court is binding on member states for them to obey. So whenever any judgment comes out of the ECOWAS court, it is good, it enriches the democratic practice, knowing fully well the importance of human rights to democracy and the role human rights play in socio-economic development. But unfortunately, the lack of commitment to obeying the judgment of the ECOWAS court is not helping either the profile of the court or even the confidence of the people in the ability of the courts to do justice in cases of human rights.